Hey, my name is Mark with PT Final Exam. I wanted to give you guys an update on the PT Crash Course. So the PT Crash Course, what is it? So the PT Crash Course is going to be 3 weeks of very, very intense live lectures. And during this time, we're going to go over the big 3 systems. So where can you get the most points in this exam? And it's going to be musculoskeletal, cardio, and neuro. So we want to give everyone a really good push right at the end to get those scores as high as you can to make sure you get that passing score when it comes to exam day. So each week will consist of 4 live lectures. We will go over interventions, we will go over examination, we will go over differential diagnosis, and we will finish the week with a session based all around practice questions related to that week. So if you want to get involved in this course, you can click on the link below and sign up for this class. You will not be disappointed you did that. We will see you in the class.